He was only 14 years old. 14. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama, he was only 14 years old. 14. Once upon a time we had a small boy, sizombiza ngo-Emmett. U-Emmett engeve ejabulile because uyahamba uyovakashela ihlobo ama-relatives ahlala eMississippi kwi-town ebizwa ngeMani. And so Emmett wapheka ama-bags akhe, wahamba wayogibela ibhasi and shwi ehambe uyovakashela ama-relatives. Finally u-Emmett wahamba waze wafika lapha kubo, wangena endlini, wajijela ilageji le kude and then wahamba wayohaga umamncane, wahamba wayohaga umkhulu, wahamba wayohaga ugogo, and then he decided to go play nabangani bakhe. It was gonna be a beautiful holiday for yena since ivele nezikole zivaliwe. U-cousin ka-Emmett was very happy ukuthi uvakashele u-Emmett, and so wahamba wayothatha imali encane ngoba phela he had a couple of dollars abewasavile. Watshena u-Emmett uthi no, asambeni sesitolo, let's go buy some coke ne-candy nje encane, shaw umoya and talk. Finally they arrived esitolo, bangena bayahamba bayothatha i-coke, bahamba bayothatha i-candy, and then baphelezelana sebeyokhokha. Unfortunately bahlangana nalo sizombiza ngo-Caroline. You see, Caroline was a very beautiful white woman, and so Emmett decide ukuthi hayi man ngeke ngiyahluleke uyibamba, wamthinta isandla wamqhweba, wathi hello miss, waziwamuhle, wow, waziwamuhle. uCaroline wanyanya, wathi ayibole ingane zabantu abamnyama zingithinta isandla, hayibo. uCaroline waphuma esitolo ediniwe ukuthi le ngane imthinta isandla. Manje no-Emmett phela akazi, yena phela ubona into enhle uyancoma. 4 days later kwafika amadoda awu-2 ka-Emmett, kwafika uRoy noMilam. Bafika bezothatha u-Emmett, bangena ka-Emmett bephethe induku zokuqhweba, badonsa u-Emmett, bamfaka ebhuthini emotweni, akaphindanga wabuya. U-Emmett was taken ebusuku ehlalele nomndeni wakhe, bamfaka emotweni bamisa ehlathini. Bamshaya la khona sebebonile ukuthi usephelelwa amandla, ayisekho into angayenza. Bambamba, and then oyedwa wabo wathatha isandla sakhe wasifaka la. Wasifaka nje lana ngoba efuna ukukhipha lento le ngezandla, and futhi wayikhipha futhi wayidonsa wayipatshaza, wayithatha wayifaka emlomeni wakhe ukuthi akayitaste ukuthi how does it taste into yakhe. After that bakhipha